1,000 liters of concrete skip, half full of concrete, was being lifted using a telescopic handler. At the location where the skip was being emptied, the back wheels of the telehandler rose up, causing the skip to go down. The victim could not avoid the skip to crush him. Analysis. The concrete skip weighed 2 tons, and the boom had been extended until the load was 8.5 meters from the front outriggers of the telehandler. According to the load chart, for a 2-ton load, max should have been around 6.5 meters, equals greater 8.5 meters, is 2 meters above the limit. The telehandler is equipped with a safety device that gives warning of approaching overload. It should have stopped the extension of the boom once the maximum distance reached with this load. It appears that this safety device has been switched off by the operator. The team in charge was as follows: the telehandler operator, greater than 20 years of experience, qualified, a foreman, and the victim, both on the ground. The victim was standing behind the skip, so the operator could not see him properly. Causes. No preparation had been carried out for this lifting operation. The positioning of the telehandler and the checking of the maximum distance authorized in relation with the load were left upon to the workers. This is confirmed by additional finding not related to the incident. The load was lifted using chain slings that were poorly suspended at the extremity of the boom. As for the telehandlers, lifting operations necessitate the use of dedicated accessories with proper lifting point. In the case of transporting lifted loads from location to another, dedicated accessories must ensure that the load won't go swinging. Weak safety culture from the operator, who breached a basic safety rule in switching off the load limit device of the telehandler. In the morning, a near miss had occurred when the same operator unloaded 2 pallets at the same time, causing the upper one to overturn. No stop had been issued at that very moment, which would have been necessary to understand what had happened. This reveals a weak safety culture within the team, beyond the operator in himself. No supervision was in place. As far as any lifting operation, a signaller should have been part of the team in charge. Lessons to learn. Lifting operations are to be designed, whether throughout the method studies or for sample cases, throughout a preparation carried out by the site engineer. This design should take into account the lifting equipment. The constructor's notice and clear instruction should be given to the lifting team. Access of the operators to the load limit device to be limited by protecting this device with a closed box whose key is given to the lift manager.